Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a hair tutorial. This is a tutorial for moms or just busy people who do not wash their hair every day. I should probably wash my hair every day, but I actually used to wash it every day and my hair gets oily just so fast. I can wash it at night and then by the time I wake up in the morning, it is already oily and looking like I need to wash it again. So I've tried to really cut back on how often I wash it just to kind of protect it and start to trim it a little bit more. And dry shampoo has become my very best friend. I am using today just the Equate brand of dry shampoo. I got it in the original scent and I got this at Walmart and it works really well. It works almost too well. It comes out really heavy and keep your mouth closed when you spray the stuff because it doesn't taste very well. But anyway, I'm going to just section my hair off and I'm going to just run over it very quickly with the straightener. Not necessarily to get it pin straight, but more just to smooth out any uneven places because I did sleep with my hair in a bun last night, so it has that hair up line that goes all around your head after you have slept with your hair up or have had it up all day. I have found that my hair will hold a style so much better if it is not clean, and I guess that's because I tease my hair. I do use hairspray and other product in my hair, so I guess once all that is just built up, it makes my hair hold a style better. So this is my go-to style on day 2 or day 3 of not washing my hair, so enjoy.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire.
So once my hair is completely straight, I know that I did use dry shampoo in the very beginning of this video, but I will add it here and there whenever I notice another place that just looks like it's a little bit oily or it doesn't look as clean as the rest of my hair. So I will just add a little bit of the dry shampoo here and there throughout the entire process of fixing my hair. So as you can see, this stuff comes out like so heavy. It's crazy how heavy this stuff comes out. So I will normally just use my fingertips and I will just rub it into my scalp. So it'll just kind of grab that excess oil and then I can just brush it out very well. And I love to use my teasing brush whenever I'm applying the dry shampoo because since the bristles are so close together, it just kind of makes the dry shampoo blend a lot better with my hair. So you really could leave your hair like this. If you don't tease your hair or you don't care about adding any volume, you do get some volume just by adding the dry shampoo, but I like big hair, so I'm just going to section my hair off again and I'm going to tease on the back side of my hair. And then I'm going to just pull it up. This is more of a half up, half down type of hairstyle. And I'm just going to pin it and hold it together with bobby pins and, of course, lots of Freeze It hairspray. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished product. I just loosen it up so it doesn't look super tight. This is my day 3 hairstyle, so it's dirty, but you wouldn't be able to tell it unless you were in the bathroom getting ready with me. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!